Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Nintendo website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice on your device, and then in the search bar of the browser simply type in Nintendo and then hit go or enter on your keyboard and tap on the first link. After that, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, and then you can either hit login or sign up. If you already have an account, hit login and then hit sign in if you're an existing user. You can simply enter your email address along with your password over here. You can also sign in using your passkey. You can also sign in with Google or Apple. If you do not have an account, you can scroll all the way down and hit create a Nintendo account. Now here you must select your age. For now we're going to be tapping on for users aged 13 and older. After that, you can also sign up with Google or Apple, or you can enter your nickname, your email address, password, confirm your password, confirm your date of birth, select your gender, select your country, time zone, and then hit submit to create your account. Questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.